CoastLife, if this very sweet face looks familiar, it's because we've talked about this sweet boy before. This is Grey Branson Baker, and unfortunately he did pass away. But his family does such an incredible job keeping his memory alive and honoring him every year, especially around his birthday. So today I have the honor of introducing you to Colleen and Kaylee. Actually, you met Kaylee before, Grey's sister, but if you guys could just kind of introduce yourselves really quick, if you don't mind.
Sure. I'm Colleen Baker. I'm his stepmother.
I'm Kaylee Baker. I'm his younger sister.
Fantastic. And so, like I said, we've had you, Kaylee, on before. But Colleen, if you don't mind, just kind of talking to us about who Grey was and maybe some favorite memories.
Sure. Grey loved surfing. Anything with the water, he loved surfing. Just go into the beach. Any kind of water activity, as far as boating, paddleboarding, kayaking. Big beach person. Loved skateboarding, video games, soccer, traveling. And yeah.
Yeah, he's all around it. All around was a Delmarva boy.
Oh yes, yes.
Sounds like it. Well, unfortunately, like we said, he did pass away at a very young age, and that's never something that's easy to go through. But what I really admire about your family is that you keep his memory alive constantly, and you're always remembering him. And what better way than with a beach cleanup? Because, like you said, he loved the beach so much. So that's coming up around the time, like I said, of his birthday. Tell us a little bit about this cleanup. How long it's been going on for? Why you do it?
Sure. The first year we started it was actually, he had passed in October of 2019. We did the first cleanup March of 2020, but that was during the height of the pandemic. So we kept it very small. It was immediate family only.
Okay.
After that, we've opened it up to the public, and because the community has been so great rallying around us and supporting us, and it's just a great way to keep his memory going and his legacy going. And this is our 5th annual. And it is open to the public. So we do have the school districts are involved as well. A couple of their clubs come, and Surfrider is actually hosting it with us. Yes,
perfect. So yeah, I'm glad you mentioned that. So they're partnering with Surfrider Foundation, which we've talked to them on CoastLife before as well, if that name sounds familiar. So what do people need to do if they want to come? Do they need to bring anything, sign up ahead of time, or can they just show up?
So on the actual Facebook page for Surfrider Foundation, they do have a link, and you do have to register. You don't need to bring anything. They provide the grabbers and gloves and the buckets to clean.
Fantastic. Yep. And Kaylee, what does something like this mean to you as Grey's sister?
It's just something that our family does to keep his memory alive. It's just like something that makes me feel closer to him during his birthdays and his death anniversary, everything like that.
Sure, because I've seen some very sweet pictures of the two of you too. It seems like you two were always at the beach together as well and doing these fun things outside together.
Definitely, yeah. He wanted me to surf for a while, and I used to surf with him or go play on the beach, play soccer. I love doing stuff like that.
Have you gotten any further in your surfing adventures?
Definitely.
Yeah? Good for you. That's great.
Me and my dad definitely do it a lot more than we did before.
Yeah? That's fantastic. So I know this will speak to a lot of people. So whether you knew Grey or you didn't, you just want to help out. You want to support Surfrider. Is there any other ways that people can support his memory and what you guys do?
Sure. If you go to surfrider.org and find the Delaware chapter, you can make donations in Grey's name.
Wow.
Yeah, so that's a great way also.
I love that. So maybe if you can't make it to the beach cleanup, perfect. So one more time, if you guys don't mind, the time and the day for this beach cleanup.
It is Saturday, March 23rd at 10 a.m. and it's at Cape Henlopen State Park at Herring Point. That's actually his favorite beach spot.
Aww.
Yep, and we do have a rain date of March 24th, his actual birthday. Just in case it rains, it will still be at 10 a.m., same spot.
If you don't mind me asking, how old would he be this year?
18.
Oh, wow. This is a really important one, you guys. Wow, that's incredible. So we are going to celebrate. Is that okay if I say that?
Of course.
We're going to celebrate Grey's birthday.
Yes.
And keep one of his favorite beaches clean. So make sure you guys sign up to that. Take your kids, take your friends, and see you guys there.
Great. Thank you so much.
Thank you guys so much for coming in. Always great talking to you.
Yeah.
And you guys, we have some more CoastLife for you, so you can maybe go online, sign up, learn a little bit more about it when we get right back.